crazy, nigga. Nigga, you crazy. Frank, it's a fucking video, you fucking...
They say with my age, I come pussy. I come pussy, yeah.
This one, the clumps over here.
So use this wetly.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Film yourself, see what happens. Here's Sam. This card is way too long to read, so I'm gonna sum it up. Get some punani, bitch. Get laid like the World Trade. The
Make Tank laugh. Make Tank laugh.
Hey, Frank. Shh. Alright, so think about hot dogs.
Alright, you crazy.
Tell them about the Heinekens.
Dude, just so you know, I'm gonna put them in the fridge. Look where they ended up. It's funny now. What the fuck did you? Does that look like a fridge to you? Right, you might as well turn on the stove.
It is a
You might as well turn on the stove and put them on the stove.
Fuck you.
Alright, fuck me. Alright, put them in the fridge and shit. Alright, dude. Fucking.
What the fuck are you saying, Jones?
Alright, you lose. Heads or tails.
Jones, you're crazy, dude.
Goes. I'm still drinking. Hey, can you read this?